The Xcentric Ripper Mining Series from Xcentric Ripper is a powerful and efficient mining tool that is designed to handle the toughest of mining applications. This state-of-the-art attachment is built to provide maximum power and performance, making it the ideal choice for mining professionals who need to get the job done quickly and efficiently. The Xcentric Ripper Mining Series is equipped with a patented twin-boom design, which allows it to deliver maximum force and power to the cutting tip. This cutting tip is designed to rip and tear through rock, soil, and other materials with ease. It features a unique tooth design that ensures maximum penetration, while also minimizing wear and tear. The Xcentric Ripper Mining Series also features a hydraulic system that is designed to provide maximum control and precision. The operator can easily adjust the flow and pressure of the hydraulic system to suit the specific needs of the job at hand. This allows the operator to tackle a wide range of mining applications with ease and efficiency.